ho, my lovelies! Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Yes, ho, ho, ho it is. Christmas is coming. Last Sunday, we celebrated the end of the church calendar. By drawing these lines, we created this crown fit for the King, to celebrate the feast of Christ the King. Now we are celebrating a new church year, boys and girls, by celebrating Advent. So now I would implore all parents to celebrate with your family. Get your children to know the joy of Advent with an Advent wreath. And so let's get started by counting down the days leading up for Christmas. Get a clean page in your drawing book and we're going to begin. So boys and girls, we are going to draw a straight line like this. Get your wrists supple from one side to the other like this. And then we're going to draw, so it's a straight line from one side to the end. Then we're going to draw some rectangles. Well, we'll just draw 4 of them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Boys and girls, we're going to draw some lines just going down like this. Good job. And we're going to draw some curvy lines like this. Well done. Let's do this again, but in the other direction. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing very well. And I've seen some of your drawings and I think that you're great artists out there. Well done. Next thing I want us to do is this teardrop shape. Like that with another mini one inside of it. Let's try that again, boys and girls. A teardrop with another one inside. Do it again. A teardrop with another one inside. Last time, teardrop with another one inside. And boys and girls, I would like you all to draw a shape like this using curved lines and straight lines to indicate a leaf. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing very, very well. And lastly, boys and girls, I would like you to draw just a curved line like that, just to end this. So boys and girls, using these lines, we are going to create an Advent wreath. So let's get started, boys and girls. So first of all, in our Advent wreath, I want us to draw 4 candles. So let's draw one here, like that. Then we're going to draw another one about here, like that. Another one along the same level, and one going back up like that again. Good job. And remember these little curved lines? I would like you to do that like that. But we're going this way. Let's go along here. job. And we're going to, in the gaps that we leave in between, we're going to put these lovely leaves that I showed you how to draw. Good job. Maybe we can put one coming here like that. Maybe one going down here and one going across here like that. And then maybe we can have one coming out of the page like that. And one coming here like that. And then we can have one here, and maybe just draw one coming out there like that. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing really great. Then on each of these rectangles, boys and girls, I want you to draw this short little straight line that we did for practice. And then on top of this straight line, we want us to draw that teardrop like that. Let's do it again. Start round and a sharp point, and we do it again. One more time. No, two more times, I should say. Yes, so boys and girls, during Advent, we are preparing for the coming of Jesus. And this here is the wreath, the Advent wreath, and it's made out of evergreen, which is evergreen. It never turns yellow, it never turns brown, it's evergreen. And this is to show that life never dies. It's all like the green, it never fades. So it's like life. We have everlasting life with Jesus in heaven. So that's what the evergreen shows. And this is like a circle. The wreath is a circle. And that shows that God has no beginning and no end. And we have 4 purple candles and 1 rose candle. And for week 1, this will be purple. And the color purple signifies penance, you know, feeling sorry for what we have done, our sins, because during this time we go to confession, you know, and so the purple signifies that. Sorry for our sins. So we have 1 purple candle. Week 2 is that. So every week you light a candle. So week 1 is a purple candle. Week 2 is another purple candle. Then week 3 we have a rose candle or a pink candle. And that's the time when we're rejoicing, because soon Jesus is coming. Soon Jesus will be born. So that's what the pink candle is, to remind us that soon Jesus will be coming. And the 4th candle is purple again. So purple, purple, pink, purple. And for each week, we have different themes. So the first week is hope. The second week is love. The third week is joy. We have to be joyous, so that's why it's in pink. And the 4th is purple again, the angel's candle. So boys and girls, here you have it, a beautiful Advent wreath for you to color in and to share with me. And I can't wait to see how your Advent calendar is going to look. And before we go, boys and girls, I just wanted to show you that I will be giving out certificates like this to all the students whose work I feature in my YouTube channel as a way of saying thank you to my subscribers. I have 100 now, so thank you for that. And if you haven't subscribed, you can do so now. And you will get your work featured in my YouTube channel. So you can just post it at my email address. And yeah, let's see you in the next video. So God bless you. Happy Advent and bye.